New studio.
I told her my name is Sam. She said no, the one on your birth certificate.
Let me get a round of applause.
Your boyfriend ran for the diamond test cause they weren't legitimate.
Let me get a round of applause for the new studio. All right. Hold up. Let me give y'all a closer look. So, I'll show y'all. All right. Welcome. We got a whole new wall. Whole new wall on that side. Got some grass going on over here. Got some soundproof. Customized soundproof. Maybach music. It's new search day. If bro let the drumstick beat, then something gon' leak. We ain't playing exclusives. Take a look at these diamonds, wrong as a life for squinting, can't just stare. We made through thick and thin. She already thick, so I'm halfway there. Found him back.
Could have changed my mind, I was halfway there.
100 eaters.
I just put 9
gal. 100 eaters. They all fit in one SUV. SOS. Somebody rescue me. I got too many. Got too many. Me, they gotta go. Damn. All right. Well. Look who made it all the way to the end of the video. Pretty sure that means you like what you saw, doesn't it? Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'm live every single week on Twitch and Kick. Hit the link in the description, or you hit that video right there, you know? Might like what you see, might like what you find. Go ahead, hit it. Hit it.